Let's find the domain of the given function. This function contains square root, and the function which contains square root is always defined when the term inside the square root is equal to 0 or greater than 0. Whenever the term inside the square root is negative, then it makes imaginary numbers complex numbers, so which are undefined here. So let's take the term x square plus y square minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. After simplifying this inequality, we get, so here it is related to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. It has center at its origin and with the radius 2 units. So here the domain can be written in the set form as all the ordered pairs xy which satisfy the inequality x square plus y square is greater than or equal to 4. So here the domain of the function is all the boundary points and exterior points of this circle. Let's sketch the domain for the given function. This is the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. First, I will sketch the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, and points outside the circle is the domain for the given function. So here this equal sign indicates that boundary points are also included in the domain, and greater than means all the points outside the boundary of this circle included in the domain of the given function.